31 cash apps and websites in 31 days. And today is another day. Foap, that is the app we're talking about today. Earn cash with your videos and photos. Please do check the other videos in this playlist. I have a 31-day challenge for you. If you want to take part, you don't actually have to do it in 31 days. You can download these apps any day you want, but there's 31 apps total. Things to check out like cashback apps, making money watching videos, making money listening to music, free stock apps, free Bitcoin, other kind of cryptocurrencies, and more. All kind of really cool stuff. Check it out. There's a playlist, like I said, for this. There's a link in the video description below for the playlist. And most of these apps also have a referral program. So if you refer people, you get even more money. And if you use my referral links, you usually get something out of it as well. It's a win-win-win situation. Check that out. Also, let me know what countries you guys are in, because some of these apps are not available worldwide. Some are. This will help me in the future make videos for some worldwide apps and stuff like that. Please do subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell as well, smash the like button, share this video, like this video, leave comments, ask questions below, all kind of stuff like that. And by the way, if you also want to see the exact system that people just like you use to go from $0 to making $100 per day, even more, check out my #1 recommendation. It's in the link in the video description below as well. It looks like this. There, you're going to get a free 10 course that will take you through steps to create successful online business that generates revenue. There's a getting start level. It's totally 100% free, no credit card needed, any of that nonsense. And it's something, if you want to check out or something you want to do, you can upgrade to your premium membership later. All kind of really cool stuff there as well. All kind of cool stuff. Again, no risk, no credit card needed, no whatever, no credit card required. Try it for free. Endless opportunities, zero risk. Okay, so let's get into this today, the Foap app. People have been asking me about this app. They've been sending me letters and stuff and comments, not letters, but commenting on other videos about this and other things like that. So basically in the video today, we're gonna go over what is Foap, how it works, how you make money with it, some reviews, what countries is it available in, tips and tricks to make even more money, and then some bonus apps to make even more money. So it's really cool stuff. Let's get right into it. All right, so today's app is Foap. There's an app, there's a website, there's an iOS app, there's an Android app, and basically you're going to want to go to the website here, or you can just download the app and go for creators and sell your content. Now this is how you're going to make money from this. Take time and make extra money with your videos and photos. Download Foap app on your iOS or Android device. Simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash. When a brand agency or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or photo from your online Foap portfolio, they share 50% of the profit with you. So Foap takes 50% and you get 50% of the profit as well. So this is a really cool thing. If you like, I mean, obviously all of us have probably thousands of photos that we take. I'm gonna give you some tips here and tricks here in a second to sell your photos better, more than just your random photos that you wanna upload. And so what else we got going on here? Take part in creative video and photo missions for brands and win hundreds of dollars. Okay, so they have these things called missions as well. And it's a very easy way to make money, make your hobby even more profitable. Simply follow this mission brief and upload one of our, I can't even talk. Simply follow the mission brief and upload one or multiple videos or pictures that reflect what kind of imagery that brand is after. So even brands put things up here they are looking for that you can submit to. They are called missions. We'll take a look at those in a second. So really cool stuff here. There's over 3 million creators that are using this app at the moment. Here's just some of the brands they work with. I believe this is worldwide, since you can take photos from anywhere in the world and upload them to this app. If you tried out this in your country and it's not available, let me know in the comments below. Just go to the link and download the app and see if it's available in the iOS store there or your Android store there. But they do have offices in Poland, US, and Sweden. So that's a good sign of a worldwide whatever. Because I would assume if they're looking for photos, they're looking for photos from anywhere. That doesn't matter. You don't have to be in a certain country or anything like that. Okay, so let's take a look at some reviews here. This is in the iOS store app here. And it's got a 4.5 out of 5, so pretty good. Over 12,000 rankings. Mostly 5 stars. There are some negative ones as well, of course. Always that's going to be. And let's go look at the Android here. On the Android store, Google Play, we get a 3.2 out of 5. That one's kind of low. I always find out that the Android rankings are usually lower than the iOS store. I don't know why. Just something, if you saw a lot of my other videos, you'll notice that too. Usually the apps I review are at least 4. So this one's kind of low on the Android device for some reason. There's 28,000 total. But as you can see, most of them are 5-star, which is good. And some other ones and whatever. Now, some tips and tricks for making more money from your photos, because every photo that's uploaded, obviously a company's not going to be looking for. You want to take a look at some of the apps. They are, some of the photos that other people are uploading and stuff, and we're going to show you that here in a second. Here are some active missions that are going on, and these ones get more money from as well. And so you can see some of the photo quality here. They're not just looking for pictures of whatever, all kind of stuff. A body lotion one here, stuff like that. But you can read these missions here, and there's an $800 reward here. There's a $300 reward here. There's a $300 reward here. Now these ones are a little bit different because you're actually submitting to kind of like a contest, I guess you would call it. You can read more about this one here. So there's 8 days left for this one to join this one, and it gives you a little bit of information about the company. And here's some tips for you as well. Recent uploads. I didn't read it, but obviously they're looking for a sunset or something that's based on these other uploads of something with nature, I guess. You could obviously read the listing. I didn't read it, but just by looking at these pictures, and you can see these are very nice, high quality pictures. And that's very nice. And you can take these very simply with your iPhone and stuff like that. You just got to be, whatever, in the right spot, I guess. I live in New York City, so I could take millions of pictures of New York City, and I'm sure at some point they're going to be looking for something that I have. Rules are simple, and there's participants here and stuff like that. So there's some quality of they're looking for. Again, and that's $800, and only there's 3,000 photos that are submitted here. You have a nice chance of them picking whatever they're looking for here. And here's some tips, and you can read this stuff, of course. I'm not going to read all of it here for you, but this is their blog community. Read through these, get your tips going, and then take your photos. And then you can just, aside from these missions, you can just upload, have your own portfolio and stuff like that. So let's go to the market here. Over 40 million creative photos for commercial use. So this is where companies are going to come to look for photos, and they can just type in a search here of anything they were looking for. And then you have these photos, like let's say they're looking for a girl laying on rocks or whatever, or a dog. But you can see the quality of these photos are very professional, and again, there's millions of photo apps for iPhone. Well, maybe not millions, but you know what I mean. So you can go in here, and then if I was a company, this one's only $10. So, but the point is, you can sell this photo multiple times, and you're gonna get $5 because Foap's gonna take 5 of this as well. And of course, there's other sites like this. So that's another tip. You could upload to multiple sites. Now you're going to want to check out the terms and service and stuff, because some of these sites might be non-exclusive, whatever, or exclusive, so you can only upload to certain sites. But most of them, are non-exclusive, whatever. So really, really cool. Royalty-free commercial and editorial use. And there's different sizes of the image format. And if I wanted to purchase this photo, I would. And then the creator of this photo will get $5, and Foap will get the other $5. But then that obviously that doesn't seem like a lot of money. But if you have thousands of photos on here, and you sell them at different prices or whatever, and you have the more opportunity. The more you upload, the more opportunity you have. And then you check out these missions as well, and a chance to get $800 for that one. So very, very cool. Now some bonus apps here. All you gotta do is go into Google and type apps like Foap, and you're gonna get all kind of things that you can pop up and sell your photos. Best photos to earn money. You know, just do a Google search real quick, and you could find other apps. So you could upload to multiple sites the same photos, and you have more chance of selling them and stuff like that. Snapwire and so forth. IEM. So some really cool stuff here, folks. It's a really cool side hustle if you're in, take a lot of photos and you're into photography. Amateurs, welcome. Anyways, do please subscribe to the channel. I have hundreds of other videos in my back catalog. Check out the other 31 apps I got in the playlist here for the 31 I can't even talk. Do check out the other 31 apps on my list here for 31 days apps in 31 days, cash apps in 31 days. Check out the #1 recommendation for making money online as well. There's a large community there of helpful people that can help you out. So anyways, that is all for now. Talk to you soon.